In this short tutorial, I will show you how to use reachability on your iPhone. Reachability is a useful feature that makes it easier to navigate your iPhone screen with one hand. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Accessibility. After that, under the Physical and Motor section, tap Touch. Once you are on this page, you'll see the reachability option. Swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen to bring the top into reach. So to enable reachability, simply toggle this switch over here. Now if you swipe down on the bottom of the screen, it will lower the screen, and you can easily use your iPhone with only one hand without having to stretch your fingers too much. To exit the reachability mode, you either wait and not use your iPhone for a couple of seconds or tap on this arrow to exit it and make the screen normal. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.